there?
I told him I don't.
Okay, no problem. You having some car problems, or?
Yeah, I ran out of gas. Do you have gas with you?
I don't. We can call someone over to bring some over to you, like one of the tow trucks or something.
I don't have money to do. I'm just gonna walk down. There's a
You're gonna walk down to Quick Trip and get some gas? Okay. Alright, I'll just stay behind your car here until you get back then.
Okay. My cat is in there.
So you have money to get the gas, but just not to have it towed?
No, that's way too expensive. I can't afford a tow.
No, they can just bring you gas too otherwise.
Oh, girl, I'm so sorry. No, I have to call you back, okay? I'm so sorry. Okay, bye. What?
They can probably just bring you gas. Like, you wouldn't have to get it towed if that's all it is.
Okay.
Sorry, do you want me to have someone come for you? Okay, so there's like Don's, Craig's, a few ones up here on the north side. Anyone? Okay. Oh. 69 squad involved accident. Oh. Yeah, why don't you go ahead and roll medical here? '69. Put a plate on here quick. Wisconsin 614916, 614916. It was rear-ended, and that pushed me into the vehicle in front of me. Are you okay? I think so, yeah. Police department. Are you okay, sir? Okay. Are you able, do you have any kind of neck injury or head injuries or anything? Okay. '69. We have pretty good front end damage on the vehicle that hit me. He's saying he's not injured. Once you get FD en route here too, there's some fluids leaking from this vehicle.
10-4, they're already en route.
Sir, are you able?
I know you said no injuries. You want me to have a try to figure it out?
Sir, can you repeat that?
With no injuries, you want to try to say just don't show up?
No injuries on the subject that hit me, but yeah, I would like them to come out here. Did you want to exit the vehicle this way? It looks like there's, otherwise we have the fire department coming. I don't know if there's going to be some mechanical fire or anything like that going on. Otherwise we could have to wait to have the fire department get you out that way. This might just be from your airbag deployment that it's kind of a little bit of haze right now. Yeah, 69. There is entrapment here. He can't get the driver door open.
After the entrapment.
Airbags deployed. I think so. Actually, I guess I do have head injury here. Yeah, just sitting in my car, all of a sudden, boom.
Alright, we should call. That's quick. Who's this guy here?
I think he might be a witness. He asked if everyone's okay, and I was checking on him at the time. So if you wouldn't mind just checking, I guess. What's that? I think so. He seems to be so far, but we're going to have medical's going to come and we can check everybody out here. So. Okay, good. Yeah, I was just sitting there, all of a sudden got hit. Pushed into you, yeah. Hit my head on something.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be okay. We can check on him first. He says he's okay. He's kind of a little dazed. Otherwise, I got a head injury from I don't know. All of a sudden, I got smacked from behind and hit my head on something. But so you can check on him first. So they're probably going to have to work on getting him out actually. But,
did this lovely lady get hit too?
yes, I got hit from behind and my vehicle went into hers. You said she's not hurt, but you just want to check on her.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I don't know if you guys want to maybe just check that out.
Yeah, I see your elbow is a little bit banged up. But
Yeah, so
I mean,
I was just sitting there and boom. So
yeah, you got a small no pain in your neck or anything like that.
I don't think so, not right now, but it's hard to say.
The
I'm in
one-
shock.
Yeah, the one thing I'd say is like the pain can manifest itself later on. So
Do you think it'd be worth just going in and getting checked out?
I mean, you're on the
Yeah, I probably should.
you're on the clock. I'm
We're going to check her out. And
Okay.
She's got State Farm. She wants them to pay for the call and the gas. I don't think she's got any money.
Oh, okay.
So, for me just to pull her out might create a problem.
Sure. Yeah, don't worry about it then for now.
All right. Want me to stand by for a little bit, or
Why
you
don't
want to
you?
call the
'Cause
shop?
one of these guys are probably going to end up having to work the accident since I was involved in it. And then we'll get you as a witness to it.
Sure, no problem. I'll just pull over a little bit more.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just gonna walk to Quick Trip and get a gas can because I just can't.
Okay, let me just grab your number just so we have that in case anything would come up here. Why don't you wait and actually give one of these other officers going to have to work an accident involving your vehicle now because he became involved in it. So why don't you just give him your information here quick, okay?
She's cleared for us.
Okay.
We haven't hit her head or anything.
How about him?
We're not sure. I think we're still trying to get him out and assess what's going on there. Are you okay?
I'm probably going to go in and get checked out. I think I hit my head pretty good.
Yeah, it looks like you got a nice little cut on there too.